All right, for this one, I give you a class called Shape. It is just out of sight down here. Let's take a look. Private string color. When you create a shape, you send a color in. You can get the color, and you can print it, and it says what color of shape it is. So I'm going to comment out these two lines, and I'm going to run this, and you'll see it's going to say pink shape. Pink shape. Okay, so now our job is to make the square class. It's going to extend shape. And a square class has one new double variable, the side, which is the length of each side. And it has a constructor that takes the side length and color. And in the constructor, we're going to use a super call to set the color. And then when we run it, it should say first pink shape and yellow shape. And then we're going to add a toString. So it says it's a square. So class square extends shape. Private double side public square. This is how you. This is what a constructor looks like. And I'm pretty sure I said it takes the side length and the color. Let's just confirm. Yeah, side length and then color. I'm going to go ahead and comment those lines out. I mean, uncomment them. So double S and string C. Side length and color. And I said you have to call the parent class with the super call. As the first line inside the constructor, we're going to call super, and we're going to send the color over. And what this does is it calls the parent constructor, passes on the color, and the color gets set. And then after this, we're going to say side equals S. That's a great constructor here. And I think I can run this, and we'll get a pink shape and a yellow shape. Now, why doesn't it say it's a square? Well, if you look at the toString here, the toString gets the color and says shape. And there's no toString inside of square. So we're going to override toString by saying public string toString. And I want it to say color square with, and then the length, and then the word sides. So we don't have access to the color variable right here because it's private in the shape class, but we can get the color. There's a get color method. So right here, we just say get color plus shape, square with side. We do have access to the side variable because we're inside the square, and that's where that was defined. So this gets the color and then puts the word square with and then sides. Let's see how this works. So the pink shape is still going to be just a pink shape. Oh, forgot the word return here. So that's how toString works. It returns a string to whoever was calling it. In our case, the one calling it is right here, the print call, and it gets the string and then it prints it. So yellow square with 14.0 sides. Yeah, there we go. So that is the square class. Yeah, that's the best way to do that.